This is the Washington Post homepage as it stands now. Let's add predictions. As you can see, I've added an embeddable widget on the right pane with current events to predict on, like whether or not Texas A&M's Johnny Manziel will win the Heisman, whether the Nintendo Wii U will outsell the Nintendo Wii, whether the Redskins will go to the playoffs, or whether Israel will launch a ground invasion of the Gaza Strip. Let's predict on some of these. I don't think this is likely. As you may notice, after we predict, it tells us how many people agree with us. For example, we're in the minority in thinking the Redskins will go to the playoffs. Additionally, we can see outcomes of events that have already happened. We predicted on a couple of these, so it tells us if we were wrong or right. The idea for this tab is to hopefully bring people back to the Washington Post to verify if they were correct or incorrect on an event. And lastly, to incite the element of competition, we have a leaderboard. This is currently a global leaderboard for events in the widget, but I am working on adding the ability to filter by your friends' predictions, so you can see where you stand in relation to them. Now let me just refresh the page to show you a different vision for what this could look like. This is another format I was considering, one where we have image backgrounds for each event. It's more image heavy, but it's more different from the style of the page. And the leaderboard is the same in this case. Now, you may ask, how hard is it to incorporate this widget? It's really quite simple. All it takes is dropping in one line of code to the page. Then, we've created a tag on our website called Washington Post. All you have to do is go to Premonit.com, find an event that will be of interest to your readers, and tag it with the Washington Post tag. Then save. Now we go back to the widget. Let's refresh the page. We embed the widget again. And if we scroll down, you'll see, will a Pac-12 team go to the Rose Bowl, which we just added. Additionally, you can click on Write and ask a question. Just make sure you don't forget the Washington Post tag, and this event will be added to the widget as well.